Welcome to the farm. Welcome back to the farm. Heading up to do my normal chores, getting the horses fed and all the goats. But I'm gonna bring 3 girls. How you doing, Weston? I'm gonna bring 3 of the girls, Peaches, Chloe, and Bonnie, into the kidding barn. We're marked out about a little over a week kidding dates, and this is going to be a very exciting time because this is our first year that we have actually had a herd sire. And with this trio that I've got bringing in, one of the girls is polled, so that means I could have blue-eyed polled babies, that's exciting as well. Getting our milk production up here on the farm so I can do all great things like cheese and butter and also my handcrafted soap. Well, hey ponies, y'all need some more hay? Goodness, it's warm today, huh? Yeah. Pen ready for the goats. I need to hang their mineral feeders and get the bedding in and also get some hay in. And then I've got to clean this off. This is the milking stand where I'm going to trim their hooves, give them their selenium, and I'll probably do maybe a bee supplement as well for them. Selenium is so important. And that was when I thought one of my does was going into labor, like I thought she lost her ligaments. That would have been premature, and I was like, oh my gosh, she's had her selenium every month, because premature babies, that's a definite sign of selenium deficiency, is premature babies. And so my brain was going, she's had selenium, she's had, of course I just wasn't feeling her ligaments properly. All right, so I'm gonna get this cleaned up and we'll go fix the stalls, get the barn ready, the goat barn ready. All right, so I got my wheelbarrow with some bedding and some feeders and a drill. Hopefully that works well. And hopefully when Farmer Mike gets home, he can hang my hammock and we'll get this all ready. I like to have them changed over and getting used to their environment, to kid in. What's up here? That's another reason why I give them their B vitamins, is because it can be stressful being separated from the herd, from their usual routine and being put in here. But let's check it out since it's been cleaned out. Chloe, one of the goats that gave birth in here 2 years ago, it was her first kidding, and I was happy to have this space because she could still be out, not cooped up in a pen. She was still, and is still, a little leery of me, not fully trusting. Better than 2 years ago, but I like to have the option, if the weather permits, that they can just come out in this area here and have their babies. If it's, nighttime or another time, and they may bed down in there. But she was happily kidding out here. I'll link that video below so you can see that. I'm actually going to close this side so it stays relatively clean, and when it comes time for kidding, I can utilize it and just use there's only 3 does coming in here to start, so we can just have them housed up in this bigger stall. I believe this is like probably a 12 by 12. So let's hang the other feeder. Okay, so what I did is I just screwed in some like little screws with bigger heads on them. If my light, I guess my light is out. Nope, there it is. And I rest this feeder on it, and then I screw in. That lets it hold it for me, because it's not gonna hold, with goats in here, it's not gonna hold by itself. And I try to do it higher than butt level. You don't want your goat, they poop everywhere. So it's nice to have it up at least high enough to where they're not gonna poop in it. And I'm just going to add, there's a lot of things I can do, a lot of things I've learned to do. I would much rather my husband be doing this kind of stuff, but he's at work, so gotta get it done. He will hang my hammock for me though. Come on, up here. Come on, there you go, good girl. Okay, I'm gonna give her actually I'll wait to give vitamin V until it's time to get her off, but I'm gonna do her feet while she's eating, check her eyes to make sure she doesn't have a worm load, and then get her in the paddock. All right, those look better. Those look better, Mama. Time for vitamin D. Yeah. Hi, Mama. I know. We're just gonna give you a good dose. Check your eyes. There you go. Good girl. Let me see your eyeballs.
What are you thinking, Jerry?
Let's see if she follows me where the food goes. Come on, let's go. We got a new little home. It scared me, so I was checking her eyes. In the position I was in and the way the shadows were, her eyes almost looked pale. And I was like, what the heck? I checked them for worm load quite often. Well, I need to put my glasses on and get in the light, and she was fine. You sound like a pig. Caution when using the, I don't know if that's gonna focus or not. Slice my finger. With Chloe, I'm gonna work a little bit, and she's just beautiful. Sorry, I don't have a very good lighting in here right now. I've milked her. Oh, come on, it's right here. I might have to get her up there. Come on, here you go. Here, put some right there. Look at that. Yeah. You're all right. There you go. Good girl. Oops, I have the camera. There you go. I'll just get her in that spot. Give her some, trying to release pressure. Here's some in here. Look here. Look at all that. Yeah, her feet don't look too bad. There you go. Girl. See, she put her head through. That's okay. Put your head through. There you go. Whoop, wrong way. Good girl. Good girl. Oh, I get my hands on her now. All right. I know you like to. I'm going to put a bucket underneath your belly, huh? Let's lift up your back leg. I know. Let me do your feet. You're fine. You are fine. Good. Easy. Easy. You're fine. Eat your food. Let me put my glasses on. Oh, you're going to have good feet. My pygmy girls are horrible. Look at how nice your feet are. Bending down here. I don't know if I'm in the frame because I don't have my window open to see, but when I milk her, I put a little bucket here, and she can't duck down. And I have 2 teacups that go on and a manual hand pump, so I can milk her. Okay, it's going to happen. I did clip her a little close, so she started bleeding, and I have like lavender, frankincense. I have a bunch of stuff in here, and I just doused her foot with frankincense, and it actually was just kind of like my finger. So we both got a cut, but overall her feet look so good. I mean, I'm used to my pygmy girls, and their feet are horrible. So I'm really happy about that. Now I got to give her selenium. And I've already added her copper and her herbal warmer. I'm gonna check her eyes, give her selenium, and JumpStart. So I'm coming in with some more grain first, and I wanna get her used to me scratching on her. With this makes me so happy, because I usually can't get my hands on her. I'm gonna check your ligaments while I have you. Yeah, nice, ligaments are good. Not squishy, which that's good. You're still a little bit more than a week out. I know, I gotta get, will you take this? Okay. So she's not gonna take it, so I'm gonna just put it in her mouth. I got it dosed already. You're okay. You know we do this and you get to go with your buddies. Yeah, get to go with your buddies. Right in the corner of the mouth, right there. Good girl. We got one more. This is the last bit of selenium. Yeah, you're okay. You're okay. Chloe was donated to our farm, so I don't know her whole history. You just, oh, there we go. Ah, I got it. Yes. Okay, here you go. Finish your food. I'll leave you alone. And then we got to go to your paddock. Okay, I feel movement. So awesome. And she's not going posting her legs. She's letting me feel. I feel babies moving in there. Yeah, I feel babies moving in there. Okay, I'm losing light and battery. So I'm going to close it here. And they're kind of upset because they're separated, but I'd rather do this now than, you know, a week to 10 days out from kidding, getting them situated and relaxed and into a routine, than trying to get them over when they don't have any ligaments and it's go time. So they're in their spot. I got to get them some water, and I got to get these guys some hay. So Farmer Mike just got home. So we got to get a hay bale in for the horses. Stay tuned, guys. I'll be posting videos, shorts, community posts, keep y'all updated. Thanks so much. I hope I got some footage today. It was hard trying to get some things and maneuver, but they're all in there. There's a picture. And thanks, guys, for liking, subscribing, and sharing. Be blessed. Bye.